G'day guys, welcome back to the Rush Truck Trophy Truck build. This is part 7. We've just tacked in all the top hip rail now, all on the corners, and squared it all off, and she's spot on. So now I'll run through the sidebars here. Again, just go off your map. On your map, these 4 bars we're just going to put in place, and you grab them, clean them up, and then bring them over and pop them in the right position. Now, when you go through and weld, you're going to have a little bit of welding on the joins, and because these tubes are such a beautiful fit, you might just have to just clean the edges out a little bit on some of these tubes, because they are an absolute spot on fit. So I'm just going to show you where it all goes in place, and obviously you'll take them out and weld them individually. Make sure that they're square. You get a 90 and put in there. This one here goes in here. There's lefts and rights of the car as well, so make sure you get that right. And that one there. Like that. Remember, if it doesn't fit, there's a reason. It's either the left or the right, or you've got it about face. Absolutely beautiful, spot on. And this piece here, goes in like that. Look at that for a fit. Look at that, that is absolutely beautiful around there. And then we've left this little notch here for the main roof bar to come down, and that's going to slide in here. And now we'll do the front. So what we've just done there, you'll weld off individually, put it together, and then we'll repeat the other side. Thanks for watching, and then we'll do part 8 next.